first looking at this triangle right here. Looking at this triangle first, we can see that the long side is 3 square root of 3, the hypotenuse is 6, so my guess that A is going to be equal to 3, because if we did that, 6 is double 3, and the short leg times the square root of 3 is the long leg, so this is a 30, 60, 90 degree triangle. Okay, looking at B, it's not a 30, 60, 90, it's not a 3, 4, 5, it's not a 45, 45, 90, so I'm guessing we're going to have to use Pythagorean theorem for this one. So we go one of the legs squared plus the other leg squared is equal to the hypotenuse squared, which in this case is B. So we have 16 plus 25 equals B squared, which is 41 equals B squared. And the way to undo a square is to square root it. So we do to one side of the equation, we do to the other. The square and the square root cancel each other out, and all you get is B, and we have the square root of 41. And that's the answer for this triangle. Okay, going to C, here I have 4 as the hypotenuse and 7 is a long side. C is impossible. Is impossible because in any right triangle, the hypotenuse will be the longest side. Okay, so C is impossible, so that takes care of that one. All right, here I'm looking at the short side. I'm looking at the next triangle. The short side is 3, the hypotenuse is 5, so I'm guessing D is not guessing, I know D will be equal to 4. This is a 3, 4, 5 triangle, so D is equal to 4. And then we have E. Well, here, for E, if this is 8 and the hypotenuse is 8 square root of 2, my knowledge of 45, 45, 90, my guess would be this is a 45, 45, 90, and therefore E is going to be equal to 8 as well. That's a 45, 45, 90 degree triangle.